Andre chi unam Jamestown hotline na wusie na mo wiemu se puka na anodin ma me fa mo enchiremu enfamro me ka was attention TV Mr. Be like you know subscribe na wa share na wa sign so aponchi adoman so my senior notification bia wonso ubehunia ekoso attention TV wi ene ye kwa akwachi ai empepi na ya chi wi na aya dodo na ta kase we ya chi ye mfa ye hwi posifo na ne beje o made anum posifo na na enum posifo na na eton wo mo chi o mo mfa ba bia we dia posifo no approve wrong says wo mo chi sa ndupone na esan say ye njintum o Ghana say ye mfa say ye brand no we dia o me prove chere ye Ghana for say sa ndubone we dia o mo digya betum obi ahu se ne ankrofo keka say we dia wo ma na no wo ma na ye no enye no kre eye wi be ye 240 bucks wi nkwa na ya chichi ndo so po na posifo agi wi na ye di ja tu ma ye hye no in fact dodo no public na kasa pa say wi ya sabi I get to forge dia gije niema dia e mo aduma hoyi wo mo pe wi dia hye dia bo aduma na ye de eye jade atum se ya na nsem no aye bebre sesi ameka se de se wona mpona no de ewisie pae nam wiemu no anodin nipa bi ne kura kase wanhwe yi a ye nam wisie no kanhwe ye kura so ye besense ya hye ye nyina ya bobo ma ye ntie ne ekosomra.
Per the orders of the court differently constituted over 200 packs of marijuana are being bent here based on the orders of the court differently constituted, and as you can see, fire has been set into these substances. In fact, there are few of them being cocaine, but majority of these substances happen to be marijuana. And clearly here, as you can see, this is the action that you can see live here behind me. What is happening clearly symbolizes the orders of the court, and it's being taken in accordance with statute. You have the registrars of the court, you have police officers here, EP officials have all gathered here to supervise these very actions.
We know say ya dia tumu wo Ghana na so ansa na obeto no say na ukita nkrata ni lances biansa ubetimi ato na mpo no koto an yese bia ukohyimu abrabo se bia wo mo moto de ye ndura e maya pomuden no ekoso sankofo na say ya dia tumu se wo mo nkwan se wo meto sa enduro no e dia ye adwuma ekwentua na mbeso ndewi makra.